Okay, Brandi, it's looking a little dangerous out here this morning.
Yes. So it's a cafe Corretto.
Cafe Corretto? Okay,
Yes.
and what is it?
It's grappa, jet fuel, moonshine, grappa, and espresso with sugar to sweeten it up. I
Okay.
did a little research this weekend.
And by research, you mean...
Well, I was wine tasting,
Okay.
and I came across this place called Softail Spirits, and they make grappa, and we were cleansing our palate with espresso, or chocolate-covered espresso beans. And I said, ooh, I wonder if you could use this in a recipe, and the lady said, yes.
You
Yes, you
can.
can. It's a Cafe Corretto, so I'm going to try it out.
Okay, cool. All right, so we have, over here, we've got a shot of their grappa in a grappa glass.
Some sugar to
Sugar.
sweeten it up, and then I'm
Okay.
going to pull my shots.
Okay. Now, we did do a test drink of this, and it is a little rowdy, especially at 9 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah. No, usually I can take it this early, but that'll wake you up.
Exactly.
So I'm going to mix my sugar in first. And I think this is kind of to taste.
Okay.
Whatever works for you. But I'm using my packet. And we'll pour a grappa over the top. So in Italy, I know, this is crazy. In Italy, this is used for digestion after dinner.
Okay.
So let's see.
All right. That was a great face.
Too bad I can't turn the camera on you for your face.
Oh, woo, girl. That is crazy. Okay. Definitely a strong drink there.
Yeah, thanks for the recipe, Tammy.
Yeah. All right, so that is the Cafe Corretto with espresso and grappa.
Yeah.
Thanks, Brandi.
You're welcome, Kat.